I'm going to show you how to make a grilled pizza Puttanesca with a smoked tomato sauce. My grill, a FireMagic Echelon. For the last half hour, I've been smoking the vegetables for the sauce. Onions, shallots, garlic, celery, green bell pepper, and tomatoes. Smoke the vegetables at a low temperature until darkly burnished with wood smoke. Now, chop the vegetables for the sauce. Onion. Your onion goes in hot olive oil. Next, the shallot. Make a couple crosswise cuts, then thinly slice the shallot. Next, the garlic, the smoked celery, then the pepper, and I'll just cut the flesh off the core and seeds. And it's certainly smelling like an Italian kitchen. When your onions, peppers, and celery start to brown, add a tablespoon of tomato paste. And you want to fry the tomato paste in the oil. That will concentrate its flavor. Then deglaze the pan with dry white vermouth. Then the tomatoes. Tradition would call for peeling the tomatoes, but I like the smoky skins, so I'll leave them in. Once the vermouth boils, you can start adding your tomatoes. And drain these tomato juices into the pan with the smoked vegetable juices and add these juices to the sauce as well. Next, add thinly slivered fresh basil, thinly slivered fresh sage, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper. Stir these in. Then simmer the sauce until thick and flavorful, about 20 minutes. Now take a taste. Great depth of flavor, complex, nice tinge of smoke. That's a sauce that would do an Italian grandmother proud. Next, the pizza. This pizza dough has risen twice. My recipe is on our website, but feel free to use your favorite pizza dough or even dough from your local pizzeria. Now, instead of rolling it in flour, we're going to stretch it in extra virgin olive oil. So you take the dough, lay it on the sheet pan, oil it on both sides, and then gently stretch the dough out in the oil. A lot of oil is very important, so it won't stick to the grate. Now for the grill. I've set the grill up for direct grilling. One side is medium high, one side is medium low. You'll cook the dough on this side, assemble the pizza on this side. And brush your grill grate clean and oil it with our cotton oiling cloth dipped in oil, drawn across the bars of the grate. It's very important to oil the grate well. You do not want that crust sticking to the grate. Now the fun part. Grab your pizza dough at one end and drape it on the grill. Grill the pizza until the bottom crust is brown all over. And you see I keep moving it so it will brown evenly. Once the pizza is browned on the bottom, turn it over and assemble the pizza on the cool side. So first, our smoked tomato sauce. Next, black olives. For a salty tang, capers. And anchovies. And then an American touch, chopped jalapeno chilies for heat, dried oregano, a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil, and finally a few shavings of Pecorino Romano cheese. Then slide the pizza back over to cook the underside. Once the pizza crust is browned on the bottom, transfer it to a pizza peel and slide your pizza onto a cutting board. Now that's what I call a pizza Puttanesca. You can hear how crispy the crust is. Let's see. That crust is crackling crisp. The tomato sauce is smoky. You've got the salty tang of the olives and anchovies, the heat of the jalapeno. This is unlike any pizza I've ever had in Italy. Pizza Puttanesca. You might not find it on a menu in Italy. You'll certainly find it on my grill. It's a Raichlen twist on an Italian classic.